Hello and welcome back, and this is Elite Joe Spatial. So today we'll be looking at few analysis from the crime, and today we'll be looking at how to acquire data precisely violence against humans or violence against civilian. So I will be looking at a site where we can get those data from. So not all the crime data you get them online. Some you have to use police station, visit police station to get such data, and they call it a police crime diary or something of that nature. But today we're going to be looking at how if you want to get some of these statistics, you can get them online via this site, ACLED. So it is known as armed crime something something something. Well, we'll see the meaning as we proceed. So basically, this website has a lot to offer, and we will download it. Then I will explain to you some of the things that how and where did they get this data from. Okay, it is armed conflict location and event data project. So this is the name, the full meaning of this ACLED. All right, so basically what we'll do is I'll just click on data. Once you've searched that, you click on this data, the second one, and then once we're here, if you click on download data now, it's going to bring you to a registration and access. So you're going to click on to get access to data, please register for an account, this. So you click on this site and then you fill the form. All right, so I already have the form, but I'm going to do a new one so that you see. And then the email, now we're going to change this email. Okay, let me use this browser since I've not used it before. All right, so click on download and access. So here I'm going to fill out this form under register. So I'm going to just fill in something, and I'm just filling some things. I won't be filling my full name and all that. So I'm going to fill in Spade TV Nigeria at Gmail. My L is having issues, so I'm going to bring up my own screen keyboard, and so I'm going to put a password. So then they said the password must include they must include upper case, that is capital letter. So you just fill this anyhow you feel like. So let's just say academics. Oh, so it's just one you need to fill anyway. So any specific, no. Name of organization, I would say APU Zaria. And website, is it necessary? Let's submit it. Okay, it's necessary, so we must fill it. So let's say apu dot edu dot ng. So they're asking for what now again? They're asking for, or just put something correctly, something like that, because I do not have anything to put. So I'm going to submit. So they're asking me to verify my email, so I'm going to do that via my phone. All right, so you just go to the email you just signed up with and you verify. So I'm doing that now. Since the email is not logged into my phone, my system, so I'm just going to do that and then come back to this site. So that's done. So we come back and let's refresh this page, or basically let's go back to let's go back to home, and I'm coming, or let's just enter another ACLD and see. So this and this. Then when we come back here, why is it asking for still this? I'm supposed to do that. I'm supposed to do that. I've already verified the mail. I mean, does it want me to do it on this same system? I've done that already. Alright, so let me quickly then log it in on the system. If that's what it's saying, say verify has been done. Here, let me just log in to the email on the system. So it's better I leave the video unedited to enable you to see some of the challenges you may face. Alright, so I'm not going to edit this video. I'm going to leave it like that so that you see. So I'm going to add a new account and I'm going to sign into that account I use. Okay, and then let's go. So this was why I didn't want to log it in on the system and ask two-step verification. Well, I have no choice right now. Okay, so it's signed in. Now let's go to mail and check. So we have it here. So let's verify it now. Though it's saying it has expired, let's request a new one. So we'll go back to checking the email. Okay, that's arrived. So we verify. Another one just arrived. Yeah? So am I clicking the wrong ones? Let's check the time. 4 minutes, 0 minute. I think this is it. That's expired again. They said email has been verified. Good. So you must confirm you have read and understood. Okay, let's confirm and read whatever it is. So once you've done that, you click submit, and that is all. Then you go back. Now this is the most important thing right now. So you're going to get this key. So you copy this key. Alright, you copy this key. You said you've copied it. Save this key in a very safe place. Okay, so preferably use a notepad and save it. You can write the name so that you don't forget. It's ACLED key. Then you save it. I have one here already, so just hit 2. So let's save. Now that you've saved it, you will go back to, let's close all of this. Okay, let's close all of them so that we have a direction. Now that we've done that, we're going to come and click on download data. No, you come up here to data, okay, analysis, sorry, and then we're in Africa, right? Any of your regions, you can make a selection to your regions. So I'm in Africa, so it's based on continent. Okay, so I'm going to select my continent, which is Africa. I'm going to click on Africa, and then it's going to generate all the data across Africa, and this data is as of 19th July 2024, and this data starts all the way from 1997 to 2024. Okay, so once you click on download, they're going to ask you for the email, which is this, and they're going to ask you for that key. So you're going to click on paste. Now that key, that API key, is the access key that will give you access to downloading this. So once I do that, it's going to pop up the download. It should be a rough estimate 160 something megabyte thereabout. Okay, so it just did, and it's a completely Microsoft Excel file. You can see Africa from 1997 to 2024 July 19 CSV. Now it contains all the crime on this this region, and the crime is specifically targeted on conflicts, especially protests, kidnapping, just violence against civilian, police brutality, and all manner of any crime you classify as violence against civilian. All right, so these people, how did they get this data? Like I said from the beginning of the video, they get this data via media, eyewitness, police report, and any means they use. So the coordinate is not really it's an estimate. All right, it's not a perfect location, but it's just an estimate. So basically, you can use this data for a whole lot of analysis. So I will see you in the next video, whereby we will start working on this data small. All right, so I don't want to take the videos too far. I believe you've learned. First, we learn of the site, and we know what this site is all about, which is ACLED data, which we know it as I think the meaning is just running away from my mouth all the time, sure, but it is more like crime, whatever, location, event data, whatever it is. Well, you know about it now. So basically, this is what I want to share. So I will see you in the next video, where we proceed into doing 1 or 2 analysis using this data.